What are we fixing today? What is that called?
What am I going to cut?
Unfortunately, this requires
I
a
won't
very
be
sharp
sure
knife.
if I don't have any tools.
You're right. What do you see in there?
The muscle.
Very good. So that's the muscle. Squeeze the muscle together. After that, remove the slip skin.
I see inside.
Your kidney, which is on ice.
It's not going to die.
Well, let's hope.
It's
We have
not
to work-
going to die because it's Play-Doh.
That's true. Should we check to see if it makes pee? Look at that.
Is that water?
It is. It's pretend. So do you remember what these are?
Pee.
And what do the kidneys do?
The pee.
And then the pee goes down here to the, and now we have our working kidney. So we cut that, and then we're also going to cut the gallbladder to take that out too.
The poop is coming out.
Actually, it's not coming out. That's why they use the skateboard to keep the poop inside. Then the last thing that we're going to do, and the reason I have this tube, is that they usually make a feeding tube. This is called a gastrostomy tube, because a gastrostomy is when you make a hole in the stomach. Crack within the chest. What do you see under there?
It's a heart.
A heart.
The heart is not beating though.
Yeah, you're right, because it's Play-Doh. See the hole? See, now there's a hole, which means that the hernia can form again if we don't fix it. So we're going to close it. This is the transversalis fascia. That's what got weak, and that's why the bit of the intestine came back. And then we can go ahead and close that. This is a mesh to try to stop that intestine from coming in through that weakened part of the transversalis fascia.